Hey there, fantastic viewers. I've got something truly exciting to share with you today. Just last week, I stumbled upon a captivating campaign by MobVoi that has me thrilled to my core. They're giving you the remarkable chance to effortlessly score a cutting-edge smartwatch, and I'm not just here to talk about it. I'm here to give you an exclusive opportunity. But before we dive into the details, I have to share a little personal celebration. As I'm closing in on the remarkable milestone of 10,000 subscribers, I've teamed up with MobVoi to bring you an extraordinary chance to win a TicWatch Pro 5, valued at an impressive €360. Yes, you heard it right. A sleek and sophisticated smartwatch could be yours. I've put together this video to guide you through the process of joining this exciting campaign and increasing your odds of securing a smartwatch victory of your own. MobVoi is gearing up to unveil the stunning TicWatch Pro 5 in a captivating sandstone hue. And let me tell you, it's a game changer. To celebrate this grand launch, they've crafted a captivating campaign that invites all of you to channel your creativity. How, you ask? By generating AI-driven images using a Sandstone-inspired color palette that resonates with the campaign's themes. And the best part? By participating, you're stepping into the arena of contenders for your very own TicWatch Pro 5. Now let's break down the steps you need to follow. Step 1. Begin by joining the MobVoi community on their official Twitter page. Every 3 days, a fresh topic aligned with the campaign will grace their Twitter feed. For instance, the current topic takes us into the enchanting realm of oceanic sandstone. Step 2. It's time to unleash your creative genius. Utilize the power of an AI image generator tool to craft captivating images that breathe life into the given topic. I personally rely on Leonardo AI, an incredible tool that's still free to use. Craft a compelling prompt that encapsulates the essence of oceanic sandstone and let the AI weave its magic, conjuring up a collection of AI-generated images that truly capture the theme spirit. Step 3. From the treasure trove of AI-generated masterpieces, pick the image that resonates most with you. Download it and get ready to share it as a post on your very own Twitter account. Worried about not having a Twitter presence? Fear not. It's a breeze to set up an account. The number of followers you have isn't the focus. What truly matters is that you use the hashtag #WatchTheSands and tag MobVoi along with 2 of your friends. Now let's talk about the grand prize, the TicWatch Pro 5. This masterpiece is the epitome of the latest generation of smartwatches, loaded with a range of innovative features. It boasts an extraordinary battery life that stretches over 80 hours, a true game-changer in the world of smartwatches, and thanks to cutting-edge technology, it can be fully charged in less than 30 minutes. Hold on to your hats, because this watch takes health tracking to the next level. Picture this: heart rate zone backlights that shift color based on your heart rate, providing insights into your overall well-being. But that's just the beginning. The TicWatch Pro 5 goes beyond, allowing you to effortlessly monitor your heart rate, blood oxygen levels, respiratory rate, stress levels, and heart health. And as a cherry on top, it even boasts impeccable sleep tracking abilities, giving you invaluable insights into the duration and quality of your sleep. Remember, this is just a sneak peek into the grandeur of the TicWatch Pro 5. If you're itching to know more, simply click on the link in the description to explore further. So here's to you becoming the next proud owner of a TicWatch Pro 5. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And hey, why not let them in on the amazing chance to score their own TicWatch Pro 5? Until next time, take care and catch you later.